Hi, this is Jack from Alpha Charts with a Stocks to Watch video. Today is May 31st, 2020. Before we get started, this video is for educational purposes only. These are not recommendations to buy, sell, or hold any stock or security. I may hold positions in some of these equities mentioned. Know your time frame and risk tolerance. Now, these stocks may not be in a viable position. Okay, these are just stocks that I'm watching on my focus list, right? What I would consider my focus list. There are 34 in total. I will be going quickly through them, so you could pause the video or grab a pen and paper if you're interested to write them down, and then you can evaluate them for yourself. First one up is going to be Etsy. Etsy with a breakout, retest, and looks like it wants to move higher. Good volume going on there. So that's the first one. Next up is Fivera. It's already had a very big run. It's consolidating now. I think this one has potential for higher. Next up would be DDOG. Again, big run, consolidation, great volume. Moving on, Dynatrace. So it's already hitting all-time highs, and you're going to see good volume, and I like this one a lot. Next up is going to be MDLA. MDLA was in a downtrend. We're starting to see this downtrend reverse. Something I do like about this one is that the volume-weighted average price from the IPO is price is now above that. So I think that's a huge positive and also good volume. It's Medallia. Yeah, Medallia. Next up is Ring Central. Breakout, retest, moving higher. Take-Two Interactive. Hit this area, hit it again, broke out, came back under that area. Reasonable volume coming in. So I like this one if it breaks out again. DSGX. Descartes Systems. Right here, it looks like it's making all-time highs. That's always a positive, right? Good uptrend. So move on from here. IPHI, or as I like to say, FVRR, is in a straight up uptrend. I mean, there's been no give back. Here was the place to a great entry that I missed. So right there, but look at this volume, unbelievable. So I like that one a lot. IPHI. Next up is Wix, another one that has gone almost straight up. Probably needs some consolidation, but making all-time highs, looking good. Next up will be Solar Edge, big deep cup right here. It may need to make a handle or consolidate sideways, but again, great accumulation volume in this name. Looking at TWLO next, and if I can type it right, it'll come up. Big jump, sideways movement. Hard to not like this. Broke the downtrend line on a gap up. Love it. Next up is AYX, Alteryx. This was the big double bottom that we've been watching. Here's the pullback that I've been waiting for. Now a breakout with some volume would be really, really constructive. TTD, the trade desk. We had another double bottom, and now it's kind of basing right here near all-time highs. Looks pretty good. Next up will be Atlassian Corporation, Atlassian. Again, move up, consolidating near all-time highs. Good volume down here. Next up is Splunk. Broke out. And again, here's your consolidation. Good volume. Looking good. I also like Pinterest. Pinterest, it looks like a downtrend line. Obviously, it's in a downtrend, but I like how this is starting to make a bottom here. And something I didn't do, which let me do So it is below the volume weighted average price from the IPO. So this one, I think I would like it more if it got above this area. Next up is HubSpot. Looking like, just stop that now. Yeah, I like it better up here, right? So, boom. If you could get over this area, I think that would be very constructive. Again, you have this double bottom looking pattern. So over, 200-ish, 205, that looks really good. Next up is going to be Salesforce. Broke out, came back, retested, and now we just keep kind of churning around. Again, I like the volume coming in here. Zscaler, unbelievable move right here on amazing volume. So, not one to chase, but if we can get a consolidation, maybe in a gap fill, that would be one I'd really be interested in. Zoom making all-time highs. Hard to argue with that, right? It's an uptrend. So we like Zoom. DocuSign, again, making all-time highs. Is it extended? Yeah, it's going almost straight up. So it may need some time to consolidate or back and fill. But unbelievable volume in the last couple of months. Viva Systems gapped up and closed near the highs. Good volume on that. So we like Viva Systems. Coupa Software. Challenge, actually, I think maybe right at all-time highs. Amazing volume coming in here. So Coupa Systems. CrowdStrike, recent IPO. Let's go ahead and just put that in there. And you have, there it is right there. Yeah, so it's above the volume weighted average price from the IPO. Everyone wants to be involved in this one. You've seen the nice volume and another breakout moving higher. That was CrowdStrike. EVBG. Everbridge broke out. There's your consolidation. Finding an area of support right here. So I like this one. AVLR. AVLR broke out. Came higher. Back down. Look at that volume. Unbelievable. That is not your Aunt Sally buying, as they say. Q2. Let's see. Q2 Holdings. Nice volume coming in here. Yeah, I think this one has a little bit more work to do. Somewhere around there, it's got to get above. But I think this one, is setting up nicely. Next up will be Zen. So Zendesk. Just looking at this one, we have a nice little double bottom look, like many others, right there. I think if it gets over, this 90, 91 area, I think we can move much, much higher in Zendesk. Ping is one I already do own. You can see it is breaking out right at all-time highs, right? Not quite, but very close. Nice little inverted head and shoulders look to it, more of a continuation pattern, I guess, than a bottoming pattern. But the volume here is ridiculous. People want to be in the stock, so this is one, again, I already own. Moving on to OKTA. Again, a breakout, moving to all-time highs. Great looking volume profile. Square, look at this, man. This area has been important for now since 2019, right? 2018. And so a breakout above this area, I think Square can go much, much higher. A couple Brazilian stocks, Pagasuro. I said that wrong, but it is, it wasn't a downtrend, right? So you could definitely see this downtrend right here, but I think it's breaking out here. Got a nice cross, good volume coming in. So I do like Pagasuro Digital. And last one is StoneCo. Again, I loved it up here. It broke down, obviously, in March with the rest of the market. Found support over here. And let me see what that looks like. Yeah, look at that. So there's your IPO, and prices now once again above the IPO VWAP, average volume weighted average price from the IPO. So I do like StoneCo a lot here. And there you have it, 34 stocks that I think are at, near, or look like they could be monster stocks going forward. This is my beginning of the month watch list that I'm sharing with you. And later I am going to pick 5 of these and do something special with it. So watch out for another video a little bit later tonight, and I will explain exactly what I'm doing. Hope this helped. Again, this is not a recommendation to buy or sell or hold any of these positions. This is just what I am seeing. Again, take care, guys. Have a great day. Bye.